Hey guys, got this new ResQTech pressure washer from Amazon. Thought of unboxing this device today. It is a 1700 watts and 135 bar pressure washer, ResQTech, and the reviews of this pressure washer is very good compared to any other pressure washer in Amazon. And main thing is it is made in India, so I just want to go for this and try it out. And it has 2 years warranty when compared to any other pressure washers available. So let's check it out. Let's see what is there inside. And let me open it up. So all the bill and details is given over here. I paid like 8,000 for this. Oh, it has a pretty good hose pipe with the filter in it. This is the foam dispenser. There's a 5-meter long pressure hose. The gun and the quality looks really good. This is the extension of this. Looks like the wheels. Here's the name of it now. This basically has all the connectors and pause now. So basically this is it, and I'll just continue this video after connecting all the equipments. So guys, let's assemble this pressure washer right now. So I fixed one wheel. So next wheel is very simple. It's just a push in and lock. So you can do that very easily. Nothing, just put it over here and press it. And that's it. It's done. And just let's fix the handle. There's a groove over here wherein it just goes inside. It just goes inside and you can just screw it. A very simple assemble. Simple. The handle is fixed now. So this is a very easy fix where you can just put it in over here. So usually you can hanging the gun over here, and this is for the wire winding. We can put it over here. A very simple thing. This is for the inlet water. Just fix it over here. So this is the inlet water pipe. This is very easy to fix, and there's a filter as well over here, which we can just put in the bucket full of water or connect it to the tap. It's up to us. This is very simple lock-in over here. Just pull it like this, insert, that's it, lock, done. You can hear that cut sound. So let's assemble the gun now. The quality of the gun is really good. So you can see there is a hole over there which easily fixes like this and lock it like this. Done. And this one, you have a button to press over here and done. So the gun is assembled. Let's connect the pressure hose. This needs to be connected from behind. That's it. This other end will go to the gun. This is simple as well. Just press it over here, insert it, and release it. Done. That's all. Thank you guys. So guys, I made all the connections over here, and made it connected to the tap over here, the water. So I'll just turn on the equipment now. Let's see the pressure, how it is. Guys, this the pressure is just really too good. 135 what they promised, I think it is very close to it, and I've used Bosch AQT 35 and 37. My friends have it, and when compared to this product also is really very good. What I say is you can around say go for this. Have a 2 years warranty, and you can you must have seen the reviews in Amazon. They're very good reviews when compared to any other pressure washers. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you find it helpful. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.